Thank you for tuning in to Ozark Adventures and Reviews. Today we are going to have a little adventure trying to find a hidden gem in Arkansas. Supposedly there is a waterfall down that trail right over there. Looks like we might have to do a little bit of bushwhacking. So come along with us. Let's see what we can find. Hey Octavia.
Hi.
What are we out here looking for?
We're looking for a waterfall.
You think we'll find it?
Yes.
Megra, do you think we'll find it?
Yes.
You excited?
Yes.
Yeah, you look excited. Sorry if you wanted that stick. Thank you YouTube for sticking with me on this adventure. We did find Tea Kettle Waterfall. However, haven't had much rain, so there ain't no waterfall. But I bet if we come back in the spring, we will be able to find a beautiful waterfall coming from right up there. Well, let's go ahead and walk on out of here, and we'll see you on our next adventure. If you like what you see, go ahead and like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.